The pneumatic nailers. There are two types of nailers, the coil nailer and the stick nailer. The advantages of the coil nailer is that they hold far more nails and you don't have to keep the stick nails in your pouch, adding weight. And always remember to wear safety glasses when using either gun. This is a coil nailer, so getting used to it is very important. These guns are very useful in everyday use, but are very dangerous. 40% of new framers will be injured in a pneumatic nailer injury. 20% will injure themselves twice, and 10% will injure themselves 3 or more times throughout their career. Before plugging it into your hose, inspect it. The first part of inspection is the nose of the gun. Make sure that it's not loose. If the nose is loose, when you hold it upside down like this, and the nose comes back, that can be dangerous because all it takes is a slight movement of the trigger and a nail will fire out. The next thing to check will be the trigger of the gun. It should be loose like this. It should be free of any obstruction. Also, open the gun up like this. Pinch the front. Check that the feeder is not damaged or broken. To change coils from 2" to 3" or 2.5" to 3", open the gun up, pop this clip, pull open, and pull this piece out. And you'll see on the inside of the gun, there are markings for different sizes. Select the size of coils that you're using, but I like to go just 1/4 inch bigger than the size. So say 3", use 3 1/4. So slide this into the 3 1/4 slot. The reason for this is that it's not too tight around the coil, causing the nails to jam while you're using the tool. Lock that back into place, close the gun, and you're ready to go.